Let's learn how to make this graphic. First, insert a circle shape and resize it to 6 centimeters for both width and height. Then remove the color filling. Next, click on Shape Outline and in the drop-down select Weight. With the proposed options, thicken the outline. Use the options Align Center and Align Middle to make sure that the shape is centrally placed. Then insert a teardrop shape. Resize it to 4 centimeters for both values. Remove the outline. Next, select a circle shape. Resize it to 3 centimeters for both values. Again, remove the fill color of the shape. Then change the outline color to match the filling of the teardrop shape. Place the circle at the center of the teardrop shape. To make sure everything is well aligned, go to the Arrange drop-down. Here, use the options Align Center and Align Middle. Then group both. Now insert a rectangle shape. Resize it to 7.5 centimeters for height and 0.5 centimeters for width. Make sure to remove the shape outline. Place the rectangle at the center of your circle and duplicate 3 more times. Using the options Align Center and Align Middle, make sure everything is well aligned. If your circle moved, make sure to bring it back to the center of the slide. Then do a right-click on the first rectangle and select Size and Position in the drop-down. In the menu appearing on the right, type in a rotation of 45 degrees. Now click on the next rectangle. This time move it by 90 degrees. Lastly, click on the third rectangle and move this one by 135 degrees. The fourth rectangle stays as is. Next, bring the circle shape to the front using your right-hand toolbar. Also make sure that the circle shape has a white filling. To complete your shape, now move the previously created teardrop and place it on one of the rectangle ends. Duplicate the teardrop shape. Under Rotate, click on Flip Vertical and place it on a fitting rectangle end. To complete, duplicate the teardrop shape 6 more times. Use the different rotation options under Rotate to bring the shapes into a fitting position. You can flip vertical, flip horizontal, or rotate by 90 degrees. If you are not very comfortable using the different rotation options yet, simply follow all the steps shown on the screen and place your remaining 6 teardrops as shown in the video. When placing the shapes, use the red guiding lines provided by PowerPoint to align the shapes well. In addition, you can also use the Align options to make sure everything is evenly spaced. As for the rotation options, you can follow all the steps as shown in the video, if you are not yet comfortable using all of the different alignments and distributions freely. Whenever you are using the Align Middle or Align Center option, make sure to not only include the 2 concerned teardrop shapes, but also to select the circle as well as the concerned rectangle. All steps used to create this graphic are shown in the video. Once all shapes are positioned, make sure to group everything. Then, you're going to move on to the icons. Click on Icon and use the search bar to find icons relating to your topic. Choose an icon that fits your needs and click on Insert. Give the icon a color that fits your teardrops. Adjust the size and move the icon to the center of the small teardrop circle. Use the red guiding lines to ensure a central placement. Repeat this process 7 more times to fill all of the remaining teardrop shapes with fitting icons. As always, group everything in the end. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.